Causes of car jerking during clutch release. 1. Worn or damaged clutch components. A worn clutch disc, pressure plate, or flywheel is one of the most common causes of jerking during clutch release. Over time, friction material on the clutch disc wears out, causing uneven engagement with the flywheel. If the pressure plate springs weaken or the flywheel surface becomes glazed or warped, the clutch may grab suddenly, leading to a jerky or shuddering motion when you let the pedal up. 2. Improper clutch engagement or technique. Jerking can also result from improper clutch control, especially if you release the clutch pedal too quickly without applying enough throttle. This is common among new drivers or during stop-and-go traffic. When the clutch engages too abruptly, the engine speed and wheel speed don't synchronize smoothly, causing the car to lurch forward. Practicing smooth pedal control helps minimize this problem. 3. Engine or transmission mount issues. If the engine or transmission mounts are worn or broken, they cannot absorb torque movement effectively when the clutch engages. As a result, the engine rocks excessively, creating a noticeable jerk or vibration. These mounts are designed to keep the engine stable and aligned, so replacing damaged ones usually restores smooth operation during clutch engagement. 4. Oil or contamination on the clutch disc. Sometimes, oil or grease leaks from the rear main seal or transmission input shaft seal can contaminate the clutch disc. When this happens, the clutch surface becomes slippery and inconsistent, causing it to grab unevenly as it engages. This leads to clutch judder, a shaking or jerking sensation when taking off from a stop. The only solution is to fix the leak and replace the contaminated clutch parts. 5. Faulty idle or engine tuning issues. If your car's engine idle speed is unstable or there's an issue with the fuel or air mixture, the engine may hesitate or surge as the clutch engages. This is especially common in vehicles with dirty throttle bodies, bad spark plugs, or malfunctioning sensors such as the throttle position sensor, TPS. Proper engine tuning and maintenance help ensure smooth power delivery during clutch release.